In today's fast-paced, hyper-consumer society, wealth is often mistaken for how much money you have in the bank or the luxury brands you wear. But in the Stoic tradition, true wealth is something far deeper. It's measured by what you can control, what you can detach from, and the strength of your character. This essay explores how the ancient wisdom of Stoicism offers timeless insights into the meaning of real wealth. It's not just about earning, but about keeping both money and your peace of mind. In a world driven by speed and materialism, money is often seen as the ultimate benchmark of success. People race to earn more, seldom stopping to ask, why am I doing this? Or does this truly bring peace? Stoic philosophy, a school of thought from ancient Greece, offers a radically different lens. You're not rich because you have more, you're rich because you need less. You're not powerful because you control others, but because you control yourself. The phrase having money doesn't mean you're wealthy. Keeping it does, is a modern interpretation of Stoic wisdom. This essay explores the deep connection between true wealth and Stoic thinking, from inner clarity to disciplined behavior and mindful financial thinking. Stoicism, wealth is not material. What is true wealth? Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "Very little is needed to make a happy life, it is all within yourself, in your way of thinking." Here, wealth is redefined, not as accumulation, but as autonomy, clarity, and control. Without self-discipline, no amount of money can bring peace. Without peace, prosperity is hollow. The modern trap. Modern society celebrates income, but neglects wisdom. People with six-figure salaries often live paycheck to paycheck, not due to poverty, but due to poor choices, inflated lifestyles, and emotional spending. A Stoic sees through this illusion. Simplicity, intentionality, and restraint are signs of real wealth. Stoic wisdom for personal finance. Desire, not lack, creates poverty. Seneca warned, "It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, that is poor." The Stoic does not suppress ambition, but masters craving, practicing gratitude, focusing on essentials, and reducing attachment are financial strategies as much as moral ones. Self-control is a financial skill. Impulse spending, lifestyle creep, and debt accumulation stem from emotional reactions. A Stoic cultivates pause before action, buying based on need, not noise. This discipline, applied consistently, is more powerful than any investment strategy. Planning without obsession. Stoics prepare for both abundance and loss. They create budgets, save with intention, and invest patiently. Yet they do not obsess. They expect change. Their serenity is in their mindset, not market performance. Inner wealth versus outer abundance. What is wealth without freedom? If money brings fear, anxiety, or dependence, it owns you. You don't own it. A Stoic asks, am I using my money? Or is it using me? True wealth is the ability to walk away, to say no, and to live on your own terms. Money as a tool, not identity. Epictetus said, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. The Stoic invests in skills, relationships, and virtue. They use money to serve a life of meaning, not to fill a void of meaninglessness. Practical Stoicism for today's economy. Spend less, live more. A Stoic avoids performative consumption. They buy what brings utility, not attention. They value experiences, not just items. They live below their means, yet feel above the noise. Invest wisely, let go easily. Markets rise and fall, fortunes shift. A Stoic invests for the long term, but detaches from outcome. They prepare, but do not cling. Their peace is rooted in effort, not result. Embrace uncertainty with logic. The Stoic mind remains stable amid uncertainty. Job loss, inflation, or economic change do not shake the core. They rely on logic, not panic. Reason, not emotion. That is resilience. Conclusion: wealth is knowing what to keep. In the Stoic worldview, true wealth is not excess, it's enough. It's not what you earn, but what you retain. And it's not just about money, it's about energy, time, clarity, and virtue. He who earns much but wastes more is poor. He who earns modestly but keeps wisely is rich. Through Stoicism, we learn that the richest life is not the loudest, it's the most aligned. True wealth isn't flashy. It doesn't scream through possessions or status. It whispers in the calm of someone who isn't chasing validation. Stoicism doesn't promise quick riches, but it teaches lasting wealth, peace of mind, strong values, and unshakable self-discipline. So the next time you look at your bank account, ask yourself, is your net worth growing? Or is your character shrinking? Real freedom is when nothing owns you, not even money. If you found this reflection valuable, consider subscribing to our channel for more Stoic insights on living wisely, thinking clearly, and building lasting wealth, internally and externally.